After those drool-worthy luxury picks, the treats just keep on coming. Get ready for some history, hoops, high-octane action and high society. I'm talking about polo, the sport of royalty and the sporting event of the elite. So if you've got the bloodline and the bank balance, then join us for a very special chukka of polo.
Man and beast, muscle and magnificence, power and pedigree. When they all come together, you know you're playing the royal sport of polo. Let's hand over the reins to royalty then. Meet Gwalior's princess and polo fanatic Yashodhara Raje Scindia.
He's on the line first. Orange is on the line.
Considered a royal game because initially when it first started off in India, it was the Maharajas and their states that encouraged everything that had to do with equestrian because they had their armies in those days. So it was a natural phenomenon to go from the army to those same horses to be playing polo.
So where are the dashing soldiers who still salute tradition? Here's one. Star polo player and ex-army man Major Adhiraj Singh.
Polo is not a sport for the faint-hearted. That's why the army adopted polo as a way of bringing up officer-like qualities.
Kingdoms may be passé, but thank God for new age royalty like Delhi industrialist Sanjay Kapoor, who's an avid polo player.
Recently, a lot of corporates have got into polo, so polo has become a lot bigger and really moved from that having that royal tag to more of a corporate sport as well.
We don't care if they're princes or corporate barons, as long as polo is about big cash and high class. After all, you can't be the style statement of having your own polo team.
And a lot of the corporations have their own patrons playing. Like Himalayan Horse has a wonderful young gentleman by the name of Mr. Timmy Sharma. We have Naveen Jindal of Jindal Steel. We have Mr. Karan Thapar of Compton and Brief. We have Adhiraj Singh, who is leading his Equisport team. We have Sanjay Kapoor, who is leading his Sona team. So these are all corporate players who have their own teams and they've learned to play the sport and love the sport.
Is it the red-blooded horses, the blue-blooded players, or the high society label? What's got polo riding high on the list of elite sports?
It's a sport with horse and man together, and it's an intriguing sport. It's a great afternoon spent out in the outdoors.
Such grandness to it, to see these 8 horses going at each other, 8 players going at each other.
Ah, the romance of royalty. But let's get real about the cost factor.
Well, polo is not a cheap sport because the horses are expensive and maintaining the horses are expensive and time is expensive because to be involved with polo requires a certain amount of time.
Just how expensive? Polo's leading player Manupal Gothra lays it out for us.
Sport itself is very expensive. All the accessories, the horses costing to about 5 to 6 lakhs per horse, and you have to have at least 20 to 24 horses to run a team. You need about 20-30 stables.
Add to that polo balls priced at ₹380 or $9 each, and special polo boots that can retail at up to ₹60,300 or $1,250. A single mallet can cost over ₹2,000. But the royally rich don't seem to mind. Come polo season and the famous and fabulous come out in droves, and they aren't disappointed.
It's like people who go and watch golf or people who like horses. There are so many facets to polo. The fastest sport in the world, the fastest ball game. So you're watching, dashing players and horses gallop up and down the ground. It's that whole intrigue factor that really gets the spectators going. It's an exciting sport. It's a risky sport. People like that, and I think that's what people come to see.
To see and be seen, might we add? Yes, polo games have been a time-honored PR exercise for the who's who of celebdom. From the days of Jackie O to Bollywood bigwigs like Shah Rukh Khan and Karishma Kapoor.
It's a unique sport. It involves a lot of passion and involvement. Once you get into it, you get hooked. It's like an addiction.
Cash, connections and a quest for all things equestrian, that's all the dope you need for polo. You've got it straight from the horse's mouth.
Well, we've pulled all the stops to give you the royal treatment, but that's all we have time for today. But we're not giving up on our quest to satiate your desire for the very best. So join me same time next week for luxury's most extravagant offerings. Bye.